Well, supposed to be hauling cattle tomorrow. We got the Ford, and I'll show you the truck itself. The 6-liter Powerstroke Diesel down. Freaking again. This freaking thing, I'm telling you. I love this truck. I do. It's crazy. It's a love-hate relationship. It's taken me many miles. 452,563. But it's not starting. I'm hauling cattle tomorrow morning. And I can't start it. So, I gotta repair it, I guess. I gotta figure out what's wrong with it. I think I have an idea. I have the part I think I need for it. But I'm hoping maybe some of you fine folks there out there in YouTube land can help me out with this Ford Powerstroke 6-liter. This is a 6-liter. So it's a 2006 Ford Powerstroke dually. It's a real beauty. I love her. I love this truck. When it's running, I love these Ford Powerstrokes. I have two of these. I have two of these trucks. I have a 6-liter Powerstroke diesel, and I'll show you the 6.4 liter. I have a little bit newer one I bought with 58,000 kilometers from a relative. It's really nice. This one's got almost 500,000 on it, kilometers, because we're in Canada. It's not starting now. So I'm supposed to be hauling cattle.